Welcome to Indian Taxis user registration and subscription.
Click on Register now to start. Enter your mobile number.
Enter your email ID. Enter your name. Enter emergency contact number. Enter secondary emergency contact number. Enter your password. Confirm your password. Click on arrow button to complete registration. In iModi wallet registration process, details will be pre-filled according to user registration details.
Enter refer a mobile number to avail referral bonus.
Click on Register button to complete registration. Congratulations! You have successfully completed Indian Taxis registration.
Rupees 101 has been credited into your iModi wallet as referral bonus. You will be automatically redirected to subscription panel.
Click on Get Pro for subscription. Choose your plan. Use iModi wallet. Enjoy our services.